Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sell on TikTok Shop with AutoDS. Let's get started. In order to get started with this powerful e-commerce automation platform, you'll first need to create your AutoDS account, which serves as your central command center for managing all aspects of your TikTok Shop business. Now they have different packages that you can use depending on your business needs and scale of operations, and you can get a generous trial period on any of them, allowing you to test all the features and see which plan works best for your specific situation before making any long-term commitment. For example, I will just get the starter plan right here, and this is always the one I recommend for beginners because you get the essential price and stock monitoring features in this plan, which could save you from a lot of trouble and potential financial losses. When your supplier, for example, suddenly increases their price without warning, and you might otherwise start selling at a loss without even realizing it until it's too late. Now here for your selling channel selection. Recently, they added TikTok integration. So of course, we are going to select TikTok from here as our primary sales channel, which will configure the platform specifically for TikTok Shop's requirements and features. Currently, they have primarily the United States integration available for immediate setup, but soon they will also have other countries and regions, as TikTok Shop continues to expand its global marketplace offerings to more international sellers and customers. Now here, in order to start your trial period and activate all the features we'll be discussing, simply enter your payment details, so that can be PayPal or credit card or other available payment methods, and then click on Continue to complete the account setup process and gain full access to the AutoDS dashboard and all its tools. After you start your trial and complete the payment information setup, here you want to go and add your first store to begin the integration process. So click Add Store from the main dashboard. Now here, add your first TikTok store, so select your TikTok Shop type from the available options presented. I'll just go with United States for the example, since that's currently the most fully featured integration, and click Continue to proceed with the connection process between AutoDS and your TikTok Shop account. So then, this will take you to TikTok Shop right here, where you will be prompted to go and sign into your TikTok account using your existing credentials or creating a new account if you don't already have one set up for selling purposes. After you've successfully connected your TikTok Shop account through the authorization process, you will then be taken back to AutoDS, and you can then go and use all of its powerful features designed to streamline your e-commerce operations and maximize your selling efficiency on TikTok Shop. First of all, right here, you have the main marketplace section with products that are added by AutoDS from various suppliers and manufacturers that have been pre-vetted for quality and reliability. Now, AutoDS is not the supplier themselves, but they do connect you to these suppliers and handle all the communication and order processing on your behalf, making the entire dropshipping process much more manageable, especially for new sellers. Basically, what you can do. For example, for ships from right here, you can pick United States as your preferred shipping location, and then you will have only products with really fast shipping times available from domestic suppliers, which is crucial for maintaining customer satisfaction and meeting TikTok Shop's performance standards. But to truly find winning products that will actually sell consistently and generate real profit for your business, you need proper research tools and market analysis capabilities that go beyond basic product browsing. This is where having a comprehensive product research platform like Sell the Trend becomes absolutely essential for your long-term success in the competitive e-commerce landscape. It's your all-in-one dashboard for everything e-commerce, providing you with powerful tools and real-time data to make informed decisions about what products to add to your store. You get advanced AI-powered product research that analyzes millions of data points across multiple platforms to identify trending products before they become oversaturated in the market, and can even spy on any online store to see what specific products are working for successful competitors and what marketing strategies they're using to drive traffic and conversions. Find proven winners with Nexus AI products in hand-picked winners collections that are carefully curated based on actual sales data, social media engagement metrics, and market demand indicators, rather than just speculation or guesswork. Use the ad finders to see trending ads on Facebook and TikTok, giving you valuable insights into what advertising angles, visuals, and copy are currently resonating with consumers and generating sales in your niche. Unlock competitor secrets with spy tools for store and niche intelligence, providing you with detailed analytics on their pricing strategies, product selection, inventory turnover, and overall business approach that you can learn from and adapt to improve your own store's performance. And it connects you directly to all the major marketplaces to source your products, making it incredibly easy to find reliable suppliers, compare prices across different platforms, and ensure you're getting the best possible deal for your inventory, while maintaining quality standards. You can also go and add products manually by adding in a product link from any of these suppliers. So this can be Amazon, AliExpress, even TikTok itself, or any other marketplace where you discover interesting products with sales potential. For example, I will say AliExpress. Then here I can enter a specific product URL that I've found through my research. And then you can go to and edit now, or publish it to your TikTok shop directly after customizing the title, description, images, and pricing to match your store's branding and target profit margins. Next, you have the hand-picked products section right here, where you can browse through carefully selected items that have been pre-vetted for quality, reliability, and sales potential across various categories and niches, where you can just go to Import Product with a single click after reviewing the detailed product information and market analysis data provided for each item. Click Import Draft, then here go to Your Draft section. Now here, you will see it waiting for your final review and approval before making it live in your store's inventory. Then you can go and click on Import, and then it will be imported onto your store, automatically syncing with your TikTok Shop product catalog and becoming available for customers to purchase through your storefront. Then, in your Products Management section, you will see all the items you've added, organized in a clean, user-friendly dashboard, where you can easily manage pricing strategies, monitor inventory levels, update product details, and track performance metrics across all your connected sales channels. In your Orders section, you will see when you get an order. It's going to show up right here, with all the relevant customer information, order details, and shipping requirements that you need to process the shipment correctly and efficiently. Now, what's the main selling point from AutoDS in my opinion, is that they will handle the order fulfillment for you automatically, processing orders as they come in, communicating with your suppliers, generating tracking numbers, and updating order statuses without requiring manual intervention on your part. You will get order credits based on your subscription plan level, and one order credit typically covers the complete fulfillment cost for one order from processing to tracking number generation and customer notification. Then in your main dashboard overview, you can really easily go and track your profit margins, your order volume, your revenue trends, and other key performance indicators that help you understand how your business is performing over time and identify areas for improvement or expansion. But you just want to go and add a bunch of products from AutoDS's curated selections and then create engaging TikToks around those products, leveraging the platform's viral nature and algorithm to drive organic traffic and sales to your store through creative content and strategic marketing approaches. You can really easily import literally all of these products within seconds, using the bulk import features and advanced product selection tools, and then create targeted TikToks for those specific products, or do the marketing however you want through various advertising channels and social media platforms, and then just get orders that flow directly into your AutoDS system for automatic processing and fulfillment. You can also import your own product designs or private label items if you have them. You can even import entire product collections in bulk by doing multiple products or complete stores at once to quickly scale your inventory offerings and expand into different niches and categories based on market demand. Opportunity. Using AutoDS for TikTok Shop is very straightforward. Just going to start your AutoDS account setup process. Select that you want to sell on TikTok as your primary platform and connect your store through the integrated authorization system. Then add products through various methods and get order fulfillment set up according to your preferred suppliers and shipping options. Then once you start getting some orders through your marketing efforts and store visibility, Just go and fulfill those using AutoDS's streamlined automated process that handles supplier communication, order placement, payment processing, and tracking updates automatically on your behalf 24/7. Now, if you have the plan that I recommended in the beginning, then AutoDS will also update the prices for you automatically, based on supplier price changes, currency fluctuations, and your specified profit margin rules, ensuring you always maintain your desired pricing strategy and profitability without requiring constant manual monitoring and adjustments on your part. To truly build a successful and sustainable TikTok Shop business that generates consistent revenue and grows over time, you need the right products from the very start that actually meet market demand and have genuine profit potential, based on real data rather than guesswork. Again, I highly recommend using Sell the Trend to find proven, winning products that will sell well and help you establish a strong foundation for your e-commerce business, rather than wasting time and money testing products that may never gain traction in the market. You can try Sell the Trend completely free for 14 days to do this advanced research yourself and experience firsthand how much easier and more effective product selection becomes when you have access to proper data analysis tools and market insights at your fingertips. Thanks for watching this comprehensive guide. And don't forget, you can try Sell the Trend free for 14 days using the special access available through our channel to get started with finding winning products for your store that will actually drive sales and revenue from day one.